I want to warmly welcome you to Section 2, which is going to be the most technical section of this course. So if you're a little nerdy like my husband is, you will love this section. Now, for those of you who hate, though, getting mired down in details, don't worry. I bet just when it's getting maybe too in the weeds for you, it will pass, and you will be thankful for the knowledge when you're done. So what technical subjects are we going to get into? Well, first, before we dive into the technicalities, I'll be spending a few minutes talking about why lighting is so important to the overall look and feel of your home. Then we'll talk about what light actually is. We'll spend some time talking about the difference between natural and artificial light and why both are so critical to your overall design. And then we will be talking about the very fun topic of light bulbs. You may be thinking, but why light bulbs? Because I would be remiss as a teacher if I didn't spend at least some time talking about light bulbs in a class on lighting. And I promise that this will be useful information for you. But probably the most technical section, where we will actually have to do some math, will be the lecture on how to determine how much light or lumens you need for each room in your home. We must suffer through the math to get to the useful information, and useful this lecture will be. Then, at the end of this section, we'll begin working on your individualized lighting plan for a specific room in your home. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started.